Hey, do you ever wonder why some plants just flourish like magic while others struggle to thrive? If you live in Zone 9, you're in for a treat because this region is a gardener's paradise, long growing seasons, warm temperatures, and countless possibilities. Today, I'll share some must-know tips to transform your garden with plants that absolutely adore Zone 9. Let's dive in! Zone 9 is like nature's treasure trove for gardening enthusiasts. From California's coast to parts of Texas and Florida, this zone is blessed with a warm, almost tropical climate. The winters? Mild. The growing season? Extra long. And that means more time to grow the lush, vibrant garden of your dreams. Imagine it. Bright bougainvillea cascading over fences, tropical birds of paradise reaching for the sun, and lush mandevilla vines adding a touch of romance. These are just a few examples of the incredible plants that thrive here. Stick around because I'm about to share the secrets to making these beauties shine in your own backyard. Now, let's highlight some hidden gems of Zone 9. These are plants that often go unnoticed but can truly transform your garden. First up, the stunning bougainvillea. This plant doesn't just grow, it bursts with color. It's drought-tolerant, thrives on minimal care, and adds instant drama to any garden. Tip: plant it where it gets plenty of sunlight and watch it turn your garden into a tropical haven. Next is the iconic bird of paradise. This plant looks like it belongs in an artwork. Its flowers resemble a bird in flight. Plus, it's low maintenance and thrives in Zone 9's warm weather. Just ensure it has well-draining soil and it will reward you with its exotic blooms. And finally, mandevilla. This climbing vine is perfect for creating a cozy, inviting atmosphere. Its trumpet-shaped flowers come in bold shades of pink, red, and white. Want to enhance your garden? Train it on a trellis or pergola for that picture-perfect look. These plants don't just survive, they thrive. And they're not just beautiful, they add texture, color, and even fragrance to your outdoor space. Before you start planting, let's cover some essentials to set you up for success because even the best plants need the right care. First, understand your soil. Zone 9 often has sandy or clay soils, so adding compost or organic matter can make a huge difference. And sunlight? Most of these plants love full sun, so choose spots that get at least 6-8 hours of bright light daily. Watering can be tricky in Zone 9, especially during the dry season. The key? Deep but infrequent watering. This encourages roots to grow deeper, making your plants more drought-resistant. Now about those annoying pests. Aphids, whiteflies, and mealybugs love tropical plants. A simple solution. A mix of water and a few drops of dish soap can work wonders as a natural pest spray. For diseases, proper spacing and good air circulation are your best defenses. Now comes the exciting part, turning your garden into a Zone 9 paradise. Here are some practical tips to get the most out of these hidden gems. For bougainvillea, less is more. Overwatering can lead to fewer blooms, so keep it on the dry side. And if you're worried about those thorny stems, try planting them in containers to control their growth. For bird of paradise, feed it with a balanced fertilizer during the growing season. Oh, and be patient. This plant might take a couple of years to bloom, but trust me, the wait is worth it. Mandevilla loves warmth, but doesn't tolerate frost. If temperatures drop, bring it indoors or cover it. Regular pruning will keep it bushy and full of flowers. Mulching around your plants helps retain moisture and keeps the roots cool. Remove spent blooms to encourage more flowers. And remember, a healthy plant is a well-nourished plant. Use fertilizers suited to your soil type and plant needs. Zone 9 has so much more to offer beyond these 3 stars. Think about succulents like agave, fragrant jasmine vines, or even fruit trees like citrus and figs. The options are endless. Here's my challenge for you, explorer. experiment, and share your discoveries with the gardening community. What works best in your Zone 9 garden? What's your favorite plant that thrives here? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear your experiences. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow. And don't forget to subscribe for more gardening tips, tricks, and inspiration. Let's make gardening simple, fun, and rewarding one plant at a time. See you in the next video.